Yo, what's up guys? Today I've got another 8 kg haul for you guys, so let's jump straight into it. Shipping only took 1 week and it was very quick. I recommend using Panda because they are the most reliable and the fastest shipping agent. I paid around 200 euros, which is very cheap. Up first we have the Balenciaga tracks from Wood Table Guy.
Hey, come here, Levi, come here.
As you can see, it all looks perfect. The embossing from the BB logo and Balenciaga logo doesn't fade.
Look at this dude.
Up next we have the LW badge Travis Scott fragments. Up next we have a $5 diesel bag. As you can see, the handle is not very good, but that doesn't matter. Up next we have a Van Cleef bracelet. As you can see, it looks nearly 1-to-1. Up next we have the Ralph Lauren sweater. As you can see from the quality, it's straight from Husky. It took a few days to arrive in the warehouse, but it's very nice and worth the wait. Up next we have this $13 t-shirt from 3320. As you can see on the print, it's very good, but unfortunately it doesn't fit for me. Up next we have this $7 Cortez shirt. It's from a newer batch and you can see the blank is very good. It's even better than my previous Cortez t-shirt. Up next we have this polo from Ralph Lauren. It was only $10 and it's very good. Up next we have this $3 compression shirt. It's very good, but only the sleeves are a little bit too big. Up next we have this hoodie from Flaneur. It's very good for only $22, but unfortunately the puff print gets very dirty easily. Up next we have a $30 Ralph Lauren zip up from Husky. Last but not least, we have the Yeezy Season 6 track pants. Thank you for watching the video. Leave a big thumbs up if you liked it and also subscribe.